3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。晚上10點，颱風小犬集結喺香港東南大約160公里，即係北緯21.2度、東經115.1度附近，預料向西或西北偏西緩慢移動，橫過廣東沿岸海域。受小犬影響，本港離岸普遍吹強風，高地間中吹烈風。過去幾小時，小犬繼續緩慢移動，環流相當緊密。佢相關嘅烈風區同香港仍然維持一段距離。3號強風信號會至少維持到聽日中午。按照現時預測路徑，小犬聽日會逐漸靠近珠江口一帶。同小犬相關嘅強雨帶日間逐漸影響珠江口，同時小犬嘅烈風區亦會移近該區。本港屆時會否普遍吹烈風，則視乎小犬同本港嘅距離同埋小犬嘅減弱速度。天文台會考慮係咪喺聽日下晝發出更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。市民請留意最新天氣消息。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島同埋長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時67、55同42公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時80、62同67公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 10 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was estimated to be about 160 km southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.2 degrees north, 115.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest slowly across the coastal waters of Guangdong. Under the influence of Koinu, strong winds are prevailing offshore, with occasional gales on high ground locally. In the past few hours, Koinu continued to be slow-moving, with rather compact circulation. Its associated gale winds still remain at some distance from Hong Kong. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until noon tomorrow. According to the present forecast track, Koinu will edge closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tomorrow. The associated intense rain bands will gradually affect the Pearl River estuary during the day tomorrow. Meanwhile, the gale winds associated with Koinu will move towards the region. Whether or not it will prevail locally depends on Koinu's distance from Hong Kong and how fast it weakens. The observatory will consider whether or not to issue higher tropical cyclone warning signals tomorrow afternoon. The public is advised to take note of the latest weather bulletins. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island, and Chung Shou were 67, 55, and 42 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 80, 62, and 67 km per hour respectively.